Process number 7 is directional discrimination. Directional discrimination is the ability to distinguish directional orientation without relying on visual clues. Symptoms of poor directional discrimination include letter or word reversals and problems identifying left and right. Can also cause difficulty with spelling, writing, and reading fluency. As young children, our intake of knowledge depends on our ability to identify objects in spite of where or how they are seen. Even a young child can identify a chair, whatever the design, size, shape, or where it is located. When a child starts school, however, there is a significant jump in the level of required visual and directional discrimination. He must now differentiate between characters that look very similar, such as D's and B's, and P's and Q's, and between words such as mom and wow, and on and no. Some reversals are normal for younger students, but if these problems continue beyond the second grade, there is a good chance the student is experiencing problems with directionality. Poor directionality can be devastating for a student, can make reading laborious, spelling almost impossible, and writing frustrating. Directional processing starts with poor body awareness. The student must first understand what is up, down, left, and right in relationship to the body. Asking the student to do activities in which he or she must instantaneously determine directional orientation and respond to it can reinforce this process. The following exercise can be used to assess the student's directional discrimination. This assessment is for ages 10 through adults. We will be using a chart with 12 directional commands. The actions are coded by using the first letter of the following words: left, right, hand, foot, up, back, side, wave. Attach the chart to the wall at the student's eye level. The student will stand about 3 feet from the wall in front of the chart. The student will move through the chart from left to right, saying each command out loud and responding with the corresponding body movements.
Left hand wave, right foot back, left hand side, left foot up, right foot up, left hand back, right foot side, right hand wave, left foot side, right hand side, left foot back, right hand back.
You will then attach the chart to the wall facing in the opposite direction. The student will redo the chart moving backward from right to left. You will then attach the chart to the wall facing in the opposite direction. The student will redo the chart moving backward from right to left.
Right hand back, left foot back, right hand side, left foot side, right hand wave, right foot side, left hand back, right foot up, left foot up, left hand side, right foot back, left hand wave.
If the student has difficulty responding to the commands with a smooth, even rhythm, or distinguishing left from right, this would be an indication of poor directional discrimination. After a few minutes of instruction and practice, the student should be able to respond accurately to each command with a smooth, even rhythm using the correct side of the body. The student should be able to move through the chart within 30 to 35 seconds.